Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with the Stanley number 40 scrub plane. Got this a few years ago, cleaned it up, got rid of any rust. I think I might have refinished the knob and tote, but the top of the tote has some battle scars. And I repainted it, but it has since received a few small battle scars. I am contemplating selling it. So if you're looking for a number 40 scrub plane in good condition, contact me. As you know, if you've been watching my videos this year, I'm trying to thin out my tools because I have too many. It works lovely. So if you're in the market, I'll give you some close-up pics. If you're in the market for Stanley 40, and like I say, good condition, couple little battle scars up here, contact me. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.